your song and push the M key on your keyboard to set a marker for each beat drop that you hear. Now duplicate your video 3 times by holding the Alt key and drag upward. With the top clip highlighted, go over to Effect Controls and modify the left crop to 75%. Now highlight the third clip and modify the left crop to 50% and the right crop to 25%. Click on the second clip and modify the left crop to 25% and the right crop to 50%. Now highlight the bottom clip and modify the right crop to 75%. Move your timeline slider to the first marker and highlight video 3. Then hold Ctrl and push key to cut the clip at that point and delete the beginning portion of that video segment. Now move your slider to the second marker and highlight video 1. Perform another cut and delete the start of that video segment. Continue these same steps with video 4 and then video 2, cutting each clip at their respective markers and deleting the beginning portions of the videos.